Hi everybody, it's Sara from Your Library at Home. Today we're celebrating National Ice Cream Month, which is in July, as designated by Ronald Reagan in 1984. So really it's our duty as Americans to eat ice cream this month. The Ice Cream Association has ranked the most popular flavors of ice cream, and you probably can guess number one. Yes, it's vanilla. That came in at 29%. Chocolate is number two at 8%. Butter, pecan, and strawberry are tied for 5%. And finally, Neapolitan came in at 4%. So then you can get your vanilla, your chocolate, and your strawberry all in one bite. And the weirdest ice cream flavors I was able to come up with are horse flesh and squid, and those are from Tokyo in Ice Cream City. Also in Oregon, they have a flavor called pear and blue cheese, and in Delaware, they have ghost pepper ice cream. Ice cream cones were invented in 1904 at the World's Fair in St. Louis, Missouri. The concessions vendors came up with this idea so people could eat their ice cream while they were traveling around and enjoying the fair. It takes 3 gallons of milk to make 1 gallon of ice cream, so no wonder it's so creamy. And the world record for the largest ice cream cone ever made was achieved in 2015 in Norway. The cone, 10 feet high. So some fun ways to celebrate National Ice Cream Month is taken from Every Day a Holiday by Sylvana Clark. Have an ice cream eating contest where you put equal amounts of ice cream in bowls for all the participants and then see who can finish theirs first, but using only their mouth, no spoons allowed. Also, you can try having an ice cream potluck where you invite friends and family over with their favorite pint of ice cream and then provide cones, and everybody scoops up whatever sample they want to do. So maybe coffee and cherry and mint chocolate chip. I'll be showing you our One Fun Thing project in just a minute. Clown Sundaes, good for babies through 100-year-olds. And just a reminder to check out all the books we have about any topic, specifically ice cream tonight, that we have at the library. Here is Ice Cream and Friends, 60 Recipes and Riffs, The Ice Cream Bible, and Scoop Adventures, the best ice cream of the 50 states. So now we're going to try our hands at making clown sundaes, which are very fun and festive. You can use them for parties, so you can make them and freeze them, or just make them and enjoy them right away. First, I've washed my hands really thoroughly. With me, I have some supplies. I have some chocolate, caramel, and fudge sauce, vanilla ice cream, Ready Whip, sugar cones, which will be for the clown's hat. And then to decorate the clown's face, I have some M&Ms and I have some almonds. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get our nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. We have our ice cream scoop. Sometimes it's helpful to put your ice cream scoop in a little hot water, and that makes it easier to get nice round scoops. And you want your ice cream to be just frozen well, but not crazy frozen so you can't scoop it, and also not too mushy or melting at all. So we've got our scoops right there. Get off of there. And if you can see those, I'll tip the camera up so you can see a little better. And then we're going to put our clown's hats on, which are just done with a simple sugar cone. So this guy needs a hat, and so if you can see those, there you go. And let's make this guy green-eyed clown. So we'll pop some green eyes on him and a little almond nose, and I'm just going to use a little cherry for the mouth. And we've got to work kind of fast. So there's that guy. And then we'll make this one a blue-eyed clown. There we go. So if you can see these guys, and there's no way, you can't go wrong with this. So they don't have to be perfect. And this would be a fun thing to do with your kids. Okay, I let our clown sundaes sit in the freezer for about 5 minutes just to firm up a little bit. And now let's put on a fresh clown collar with our whipped topping, just to make it festive. And for you. And then if you want to use a little chocolate syrup to drizzle on, you can do that. Or if you have any people who love hot fudge, you can do a little bit of that. Or I also have warm caramel sauce that you can drizzle a little bit of that on. And let's finish up with a few little sprinkles, shall we? Just to make them extra festive. And then on this one we'll put a little sugar. I have a little pink sugar we'll decorate him with. And there you go, clown sundaes.